Hello everyone, welcome to another Trotec video. Today we are going to show you how to make a simple rocking chair. For this application we used our 1.5mm thick TroCraft Eco. You can purchase this material at engraving-supplies.com. We're going to start by loading our TroCraft Eco onto our Speedy 400 laser system. Once all of our files are ready to go in job control, we can go ahead and hit start. For this application, we are going to engrave, cut, and mark this material. The laser will start with the engraving process, switch to marking, and finally finish by cutting out the design. Check out the application file and the settings we used in the description box below. Once everything is finished processing, go ahead and wipe down your material and remove it from the laser. Assembly is simple. Each side should easily slide into place. And there you have it, a rocking chair made from TroCraft Eco. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below and be sure to like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!